young artists, welcome to Pinoy Mandala. Today we are having another exciting project just for you. With the use of lines and shape, we are going to express our feelings to the people we love. Get your papers and pens ready because we are doing Mandala Greeting Cards. For this project, we will be needing bond papers, ruler, pencil, and some markers. Coloring materials will be optional. But before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for our next project. The first thing we need to do is to fold our paper as seen in the video. Then, we will put a mark on the face of our card and put some light border with the use of our pencil for our drawing area. Tandaan, hindi dapat madiin ang ating border kasi buburahin pa natin siya pag nag-finalize na tayo ng ating artwork. We will be doing 3 designs for this video. That will be enough inspiration for your own greeting cards. Pwede niyong gawin lahat o pumili lang ng isa. Bago kayo mag-drawing, make sure you put a cardboard or an extra paper at the back of your drawing area so that it will not ruin the side of the card where you will write your messages. Alright, let's start working on the first design. For this, we will be doing freehand mandala using flower and leaf patterns. As a starting point, we can copy the design that we use in this work, and later you can experiment and use other patterns as you wish. This is going to be very easy. You can freely draw your main circle in any side of the card, or you can use a guide for this. So after the first circle, we will just going to draw another circle outside the main circle. You can add more circles until you fill up the whole paper. I think kasya na yung 5 circles. And then, we will divide the circles into 8 parts, just like how I do it in the video. Alright, now we are ready to add mandala leaves in our work. The first pattern is very popular. It is like adding petals to your circle. The next pattern is the leaf pattern. But as you can see, I am putting them in between the petals, not exactly aligned with each other. Very easy, right? For the third one, we are going to add this detail that looks like a sun. And for the fourth pattern, we are doing this inner petal patterns. Para silang petals ng mga sunflowers. For this part, just imagine a small seed with some sprout, like baby plants. Alright, dahil tapos na tayo sa ating sketch, pwede na natin lagyan ng ating permanent marker. Dahan-dahan lang tayo at uunahin natin yung ating borders. Kasi ito yung guide natin para hindi lumampas yung ibang mga lines natin. Yan. Kung gusto niyo kulayan yung gawa ninyo, gawin niyo lang yon. Pumili kayo ng kulay na paborito ninyo o magugustuhan ng mga taong pagbibigyan nyo ng inyong greeting cards. There you go. This is our first design. Now let's move on to our next card. This one is a bit simpler. In your card, just put a big circle on top of your paper. Pwede nyo siyang gawing freehand o gumamit kayo ng pambakat na available sa bahay ninyo. Ako, ang gamit ko yung aking masking tape. Then, we will draw at least 3 small circles inside the big circle. Pero kailangan layo-layo sila. What we will do are small versions of the mandala design in our card number 1. Alright, katulad sa card number 1, magsisimula tayo sa sketch. Pag natapos na natin yung sketch natin, doon tayo maglalagay ng ating permanent marker. Okay, sisimulan natin yung paglagay ng permanent marker sa ating malaking circle. Kasi yun yung guide para sa iba pang mga lines na hindi dapat lumampas dito. There you go. This is our card number 2. Looking great. Now let's go to our card number 3. We will divide our drawing area into 6 rows and 4 columns. And we will just draw the grid designs that we use in our card number 1. See, same patterns, different presentation or execution, but they all look beautiful. Katulad lang sa card number 1 and 2, magsisimula tayo sa sketch. Pagkatapos ng sketch, saka natin lalagyan ng permanent marker. At para mas gumanda pa ang ating gawa, dagdagan natin ng iba't ibang mga lines o iba pang mga detalye yung ating artwork. There you go! Here are our DIY Mandala Greeting Cards. Now you are ready to write your messages inside the cards. You may also want to add a little shape here or a short note at the back for a little surprise. Para sa iba pang mga exciting na art and mandala projects, huwag kalimutang i-follow ang Pinoy Mandala on Facebook at sa Instagram. Salamat!